So everybody, like I was saying here, Wally here, he's one of our youngest penguins here, but believe it or not, because he is the king penguin, he is the second largest penguin in the whole entire world. They are beaten by one other penguin. Does anybody by any chance know what that one penguin is? Had a movie about him, it was called Happy Feet, and Happy Feet 2. Yes, if you're thinking emperor penguins, or if you said emperor penguins, you're absolutely right. Emperor penguins are about 4 feet tall, so they come up to about as tall as a 5-year-old or a 4-year-old child. But we do not have any of those penguins here. They are very, very difficult to breed, and there's only one location that has them. That's in SeaWorld in California in San Diego. So if you guys didn't know this already, our penguins are also from the United States. They come from SeaWorld in San Antonio, Texas. So if you guys want to know how they came here, they just took a little, they flew first class on Emirates, and they had champagne served to them. No, just kidding. No, we actually had the Sheikh's private planes to come in and help them take them over to here in Dubai. So what we did is we brought the Sheikh's plane here. We told him that we needed some penguins to come on over to Ski Dubai. He of course lent his plane to us, but he also said on one condition, if he could bring over his private and luxurious horses over. So we said yes, we'll do that. So we had these guys fly on a plane with some horses too, some racing horses here. But they were able to enjoy a nice and long and happy, healthy plane ride. The ones that didn't fare very well were our trainers, because we put our penguins in a little private section of the plane, away from the horses, not to frighten them. And of course we had them at the bottom cargo plane here where it was pretty cold, so the temperature was just